Roads are built for buses, cars, and trucks, not for people on bikes. My heart bleeds for them when I hear someone gets killed, but it's their own fault at the end of the day.
Julie Dias era uma menina muito alegre. E ela morreu atropelada aqui. E o que é que diferencia a decisão do prefeito entre construir ciclovias ou construir uma ponte para carros? Quem financia isso? É o X da questão, para mim, de todas as cidades.
The reality is that there is not one city in the world that has solved the issue of mobility through the private car. None.
Chevron spent $1.8 million on lobbying to defeat an anti-global warming bill.
I'm talking about a very broad coalition between unions and business. That's why it's so difficult to change things.
I think it's unfair you categorize the auto industry as not wanting to do something. They, of course, want to do something. Their parents and mothers and fathers, they breathe the same air we all breathe.
Car sales, it's a very good business.
Se eu simplesmente paro de andar de bicicleta, eu sou uma bicicleta a menos, eu sou uma pessoa a menos lutando pelas vontades que lhe cabem. E eu não quero ser uma pessoa a menos.